Hi folks, again this is Rob Potter from thepromiserevealed.com, and I'm sharing some information here in regards to the technology of pyramids, scalar fields, and how the Pleiadians shared with us these various technologies. I've been studying with Dr. Fred Bell and having these contacts, out-of-body experiences in ever-progressing nature since the age of 16, and I'm really happy this is my life's work. I have not shared this information. Dr. Bell has used to share it, and it was not grasped by many people at the time. I'm thinking more and more people can grasp this information now, and more light workers are ready for the information I'm going to share today. To be honest, I kind of wanted to keep this secret, not really, but it's taken a long time for me to be able to reproduce these, afford to be able to create these systems and share them with people. And I'd like to share with you one of the first designs that they gave us. Now, this is called a star orb, or I call it a star shield or star orb, it doesn't matter, but you can see this is a wire here connected to the top. There's a series of wires from each of these points coming in here. And this device was given to us to combat the harmful ELF and scalar waves that are actually sent, unfortunately, through a network known as our electrical system, through the wires in your house. And many people know about smart meters and the hyperactive energies of this field that can come in. It actually affects your health. It can destroy food in your refrigerator, shortening its lifespan, and actually is part of what we call an overall mind control network. I don't want to focus on the negativity, but what happens is you hang this from the ceiling. You either put like a piece of fish line here and hang this from a hook in your ceiling, so there's no connection to the ceiling. I'm going to ask my wonderful friend here from Guadalajara, Victor, who's doing this recording with me along with Angelo and Martina, the series of recordings here in Mount Shasta. I'm going to have you take the camera up here for just a moment and show you that's how we install one. And you can see this wire coming down, and what happens is, what I've decided to do, let's go back to where you are, right there, and we'll stay right there, and I'm going to show you this device hangs from the ceiling. And Dr. Bell used to say, well, you can attach it and put a copper stake in the wire, you can plug it in, very complicated. I just decided to make improve the mousetrap a little bit. I've taken a normal 3-prong plug, I've removed the positive and negative, and now this sticks into the ground in your system, in your electrical system in your house. And what this does is, as those frequencies come into your house, this dampens them and neutralizes the negative scalar wave type of smart meter and ELF waves that are coming into your home. You can put, if you read the book, Rays of Truth and Crystals of Light on my website, all of this technology is explained, and I'm hoping that this visual series of videos that I'm doing here with my friends will help you understand how these technologies work and how you can apply them in your daily life. I think it's important that people understand the basics, and we'll move forward into more advanced aspects of this technology that was given to us, which is actually an ancient revival of a universal understanding of the laws of nature. It's all very natural, and I want to thank you for hearing about the star orb and how that works on your house, and to kind of heal the vibrations of negativity that are coming through our electrical system. Thank you very much.